SMCI stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at super microcomputer stock. It's sitting a good $35.29. And all I'm looking at is just a beautiful bullish price action. Now, with this in mind, bullish price action is crazy. I mean, I've done 38,000 videos. I spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I have everything documented on my YouTube channel like no one else. With SMCI specifically, I mentioned it's a bullish range because it's still technically sitting above this high. No, my bad, it actually broke structure today. So I'm taking that back. This bullish idea that I had in structure, I'm not saying it's over because, again, technically we still have this demand zone. And as long as there is a shift inside here, then I'm still willing to be taking things up. But yeah, other than that, I'm just not going to be buying, you know, and people are going to overcomplicate stuff. I've had so many receipts with SMCI in my Discord, but other than that, let me know what is your opinion on it. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free.